Hi guys, my name is Roger and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an organ house step with the Roland D-20. Curious? Let's find out how it works. Here we go! Today we're going to create a sound like this. Well, where to start? Let's start with this sound. Electric piano. So I'm going to edit the tone. I see here 4 partials are on. I'm going to turn off 2 of them and only part 1 is now active. And based on the structure I know what kind of sound this is. So this is structure number 2. Structure number 2 contains 2 synths and a ring modulator. So if I change this to 1, then we have only the synth without a ring modulator. And part number 2 of this tone contains this high-pitched sound. So what I'm now going to do, I'm going to change it to, in this case, structure number 6. 6 means 2 PCM, 2 samples. And I'm also going to add those other partials, and the structure of those partials will also be structure number 6. So now we're going to create a sound with those 4 parts. So first I will adjust the envelope. I will adjust the envelope of all the 4 parts. What I do is I turn parts on, well, not the sound, but to adjust the parameters I can turn them on and off. So in this case they're all on, and I'm going to adjust the time, the envelope. So time, I want an immediate start, decay, sustain, and a small release. I want them all leveled on the same level, volume on the same level, with the same velocity. I want to change over also the TVF envelope to have them all equal. The frequency is not necessary. Frequency is for synth sounds. I do not want a pitch envelope, so I'm going to turn all these values on 0. Okay. And also here in pitch, I want to change the pitch on the keyboard. Pitch on keyboard. Now it says S1 a half, and I'll show you what this means, a half. I turn off all the other parameters, so now only part 2 is active. This means half means that it takes from here to here, from this octave, from this C to this C, it takes 1 octave. So I have to turn this also to S1. So cool. Now let's put this all sounds on C4. And we go to the PCM waves. Well, let me show you. This is the bass drum. Turn off this also, bass drum. There are several PCMs. What I'm now going to do is to search for that organ sound, and I know it's on 36. So now I do already have that sound. But what I'm going to do now, because I've got 4 tones, 4 partials, 4 parts, so I'm going to adjust the pitch. The first one I do on C3, the second, the third and the fourth I will on C4. This 2 I will move to D4, and the last one to G. So, to have a chord. Let's hear. So, very easy. With just a few steps, you can already have this kind of house step. And choose another sound. Nice, you hear that 60-bit or 8-bit sound. Nice to show is this because it contains so-called spectrums. Well, we all know this Prodigy sending out of space, and I like it. It's very, very old school, but also piano sounds. If you want to adjust the release. This was it. Just simple, easy D20 sound programming. Thank you for watching, and we see each other next time. Okay, bye-bye guys. Bye.